I want to talk to you about credit unions that don't charge monthly fees. So here's a rundown I want you to pay attention to. The first credit union that doesn't charge monthly fees is Navy Fed. And Navy Fed has no fees here. So we're talking about easy. You have free checking accounts, you have savings accounts, so that's really good. So no monthly service fees, no opening deposit requirements. So there's like a no $5 or $10 whatever. No, that's kind of cool. No minimum balance requirement as well. So if you qualify for a membership through a PenFed, you will love this checking account or even savings account. The only thing is that with PenFed, there are restrictions in terms of membership, in terms of geography, biology, or profession. You have to be affiliated with a military to actually qualify for membership. Unlike PenFed, Navy Fed does require military affiliation. So we think that this credit union is best for anyone who wants a flexible standard account for everyday use. You also have those. If you have a lower account balance, you will enjoy this checking account because there is no minimum deposit requirement. Okay, and included with all Navy Fed checking accounts, you have a Navy Fed debit card with zero liability protection, no monthly service fees, so that's really good. You have also dividends that are credited monthly, digital banking with mobile deposits and bill pay. You have a checking protection options to make sure you are covered, so that's kind of cool. And you also have a free traditional name-only checks with easy online ordering, so that's really fantastic. So when you think about if you're looking for a credit union that doesn't charge monthly fees, I want you to think automatically about the Navy Fed. As long as you have a military affiliation, either professionally, geographically, or through your relative, you will qualify with this card. And you have a free everyday checking account that makes it easy to transfer money in minutes with a Zelle. You can monitor actually spending and pay bills automatically, and you can also track account activity, and also so you can use automatic notifications to track account activity in real time. So that's kind of cool. So Navy Fed, first credit union that doesn't charge monthly fees. Next, if you are looking for a credit union that doesn't charge monthly fees, I want you to think about PenFed. Now, what we love about PenFed is that you have a large constellation of options, so that's really good. And so you have a free checking account, okay, and no monthly fees. You don't pay to access your money, so your own money, and you can open an account with as little as $25. So Navy Fed actually allows you to open an account with any amount. But PenFed is setting limits here, so $25, and you can enjoy over 85,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. You have access. You can access all point and co-op ATMs located in many well-known retailers. You have 24/7 digital banking, and we love the fact that PenFed actually has a lot of benefits that you can actually enjoy through based on the balance you have. You can check your balance, view transactions, and manage your account 24/7 online and through their mobile app. You can deposit checks right from your phone with mobile deposits. So mobile deposit is a great feature that we love through PenFed. That's really good. You can set up direct deposits and get your paycheck up to 2 days early. And also when PenFed receives your direct deposit information from your employer, they will make your pay available to you up to 2 days early. So that's a really fantastic option to enjoy. And what we love about PenFed overall is just the flexibility. As a free checking account holder, you can earn 2% cash back on everything you purchase with the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card. So it's not every credit card, it's only one. So that's the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card. And there is no monthly service fee associated with the free checking account. Certain account activities or fees still apply, so including but not limited to outgoing wire transfer and stop payment fees. So that's kind of something to really think about. So if you're interested, you can let us know in the comments section, or you can see PenFed service fees for a full list of associated fees. And so you can actually withdraw money from your account at ATMs or other, let's say other platforms and not pay anything at all. So that's really good. Next, I want to talk to you about Alliant. If you're looking for a credit union that doesn't charge monthly fees, I want you to think about Alliant. And we love Alliant for all kinds of possibilities. I mean, we love Alliant for the flexibility. We love Alliant for the scalability that it really allows you to have. So that's really good. And one thing I want to say here is that basically, when you think about Alliant, think about flexibility. But most importantly, it doesn't matter where you live at. It doesn't matter whether you are working in a certain company or you have a biological relationship to an Align member. So what I'm trying to say here is that Align is open for membership for everybody, to everybody, by the way. So basically, when we think about the free checking account, you have no monthly service fees. You have no overdraft fees. That's really good. You have no monthly minimum balance requirements, and you can access to 80,000 fee-free ATMs. You have $20 per month in ATM fee rebates. You can tap to pay with a free Visa contactless debit card, and you also have to really understand that Align does not offer business checking accounts. Okay, so this is only for personal checking accounts, and the APY, you have a 0.25% APY. That's really good, and you also have a teen checking account. So if you have a teen in your family, you want to really secure their finances, you want to control, you want to monitor, you want to improve their finances, you might want to think about this teen checking account. You also have the ability to actually upgrade the account later on. But what we love about Align in general is the fact that you have no unexpected fees, no more hunting for an ATM. You can pay with your smartphone or a contactless Visa debit card, and you have mobile deposit. You also have features that actually give you a peace of mind. You have free overdraft protection, courtesy pay. You have account alerts. You also have like a $0 liability on fraudulent charges. So with the Visa $0 fraud liability feature, you never pay actually for unauthorized charges on your debit card. So that's kind of cool. And but that's really fantastic. You have the ability also to earn interest on your checking through e-statements and also on one monthly electronic deposits. So that's really fantastic. If you're looking for a credit union that doesn't charge monthly fees, I want you to think about Connexus. What we love about Connexus is actually kind of similar to Align. Connexus doesn't ask you to get to have to be affiliated with an organization or to be living in a certain geography to qualify. You have other ways to qualify for a Connexus credit union membership. And one thing we love about the Connexus is that if you are going for if you are going for an account that charges no monthly fee, you want to go for the simply free account because Connexus has what they call the extraordinary account, checking account, but they charge you fees on that. But on the simply free account, as the name implies, there's no fee. Okay, so no monthly yield required. You have no monthly rebates. Also, you have free statements, so that's really good. And this card, what we love about this card is that you have the ability to actually earn up to 1.75% APY. So that's really far above the national average. Okay, think about it. This is one of the highest yields you will find on the market. So basically, with Connexus, you also have the ability to easily track your progress. So basically, when you think about, by the way, the 1.75% APY is only available on the extraordinary account, not on the simply free account. So if you want to really earn that much, you have to really upgrade to the extraordinary checking account. So they do have an extraordinary checking progress tool that allows you to actually easily track progress towards earning your 1.75% APY. And you can say goodbye to fees, no Connexus ATM fees, no maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements. So fees are not Connexus style. So we love that. And in terms of ATMs, you are talking about 67,000 surcharge-free ATMs. So that's kind of cool. So basically, of course, Connexus is not available in all states, but you are able to actually withdraw cash fee-free through through their network. if you are looking for a credit union that doesn't charge monthly fees, I want you to think about BECU. And BECU stands for Boeing Employees Credit Union, and that's kind of cool. So we are speaking about an account that is completely free. So no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and much more. So you're looking at no minimum balance, no monthly maintenance fee, nationwide access to more than 30,000 surcharge-free ATMs, free online banking and mobile banking app. You have a free debit MasterCard with fraud protection, free FICO score check in BECU online banking, and you have an institution that federally insures your deposits up to $250,000. So that's kind of cool. And you also have different types of checking. You have the member advantage checking. You have the regular checking. So for the member advantage checking, basically this is a checking account that comes with a 4.07% APY on the first $500, and the checking account balances that there are actually over $500 receive a rate of 0.10% APY, as well as many other popular benefits, including refunded out-of-network ATM fees up to $3 per month. You have the highest interest rates on CD, IRA, and money market accounts. So that's kind of cool. And what we love about a checking account through BECU, you have, of course, the ability to pay a no fee, but also you have you are able to receive monthly e-statements real fast. Okay, and so to open an account, you can join online in person at one of the company's neighborhood financial centers or virtually with video banking. And but if you have any question, call BECU at 800-233-2328. Once again, the number here is 1-800-233-2328. And so this here is a credit union that has all kinds of possibilities. So that's kind of cool, not only in the short run but also the long run. Even though this BECU wants you to be located geographically in the north and in the west coast, you are able to qualify for a BECU membership even if you don't live in Oregon or in the state of Washington. You have other possibilities to join. Next, I want to talk to you about NIHFCU. If you're looking for credit unions that actually don't charge monthly fees, I want you to think about NIHFCU. NIHFCU actually, when they started a couple of years ago, they were catering to healthcare workers, but nowadays they really are expanding their customer base. Okay, so even if you are not working in healthcare, you can still qualify for a free credit union checking account through NIHFCU. Okay, and but if you have any question, if you have any doubt, I want you to call right now, 1-800-877-6440. 1-800-877-6440. So they actually have they call it carefree checking. Okay, and they also have a total care checking. So if you, for any reason, you don't qualify for carefree checking, you can actually, if you don't qualify for total care checking, you can qualify for carefree checking. So when we talk about carefree checking, you have a no minimum balance requirements. That's kind of cool. You have no fee NIHFCU ATM and video teller transactions, surcharge free withdrawals at over 30,000 network ATMs nationwide, Visa debit rewards. You can earn points and redeem for cash, gift cards, merchandise, and more. You have 0.25% off for automatic debit or of loan payments from NIHFCU savings or checking accounts. You have a free app with mobile deposit. You have account alerts and more. And you can send money in the moment with Zelle. That's really good. You have a one no fee cashier's check per month. You have overdraft protection options. And you can open an account today, or you can call the number that I told you, 1-800-877-6440, to speak with a rep. Okay, and that's for the carefree checking. And you also have a total care checking. So total care checking, you can enjoy all the standard benefits of carefree checking, including no minimum balance requirements. You have basically a 0.25% off for automatic debit of loan payments from NIHFCU savings or checking accounts, free app with mobile deposit, account alerts, and more. and that's kind of cool. And by the way, you also have a third checking account. They call it Total Care Protection. And Total Care Protection has actually, in addition to the benefits that I told you a little earlier, you have ID theft monitoring and resolution with up to 10,000 identity theft reimbursement and more for you and your eligible family member. So that's kind of cool. You have a Visa Platinum Debit Rewards. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. We love that a lot. And you also have a overdraft coverage. So that's kind of cool in terms of helping you rebalance your financial life if something were to happen to you. So NIHFCU has got your back. They have got you covered in that sense. Next, if you are looking for credit unions that don't charge monthly fees, I want you to think about Bethpage. So Bethpage is really a great institution, and you have the Bethpage free checking account mobile. I mean, of course, you can open this account online, but also through your mobile phone, not a problem. So that's really good. And but if you want to really open your account fast, Bethpage allows you to open an account through your mobile. And so their secure online application takes about 3 to 5 minutes to fill out, and you'll find out right away if your account was approved. Normally, it should be approved. Okay, so if you're applying for an account, just make sure that you are a U.S. citizen or permanent resident alien. And if you're currently not a Bethpage member, you will need to establish membership with Bethpage by opening and depositing $5 into a savings account. And you don't need to actually be affiliated with the military or with any organization or living in a specific area or be a relative of a Bethpage member to qualify for it. Okay, there are other ways to actually qualify. That's really fantastic. And one thing I want to say also is that if you have the possibility, so in addition to avoiding fees every single month, you can actually earn interest on your free checking account. So to earn interest every month, you'll need to receive a direct deposit into your Bethpage checking account to make actually a 10 point of sale debit purchases using your Bethpage debit card. And you can also enroll in online banking with e-statements. So these transactions need to post to the free checking account by the end of the month for you to qualify. So if all the requirements are not met in any given month, then the free checking account will not earn dividends for that month. By the way, when we speak about dividends, we are speaking about cashback. Okay, so this is actually the lingo for cashback when you think about credit unions in general. So dividends. And one thing I want to say is that all your cash, by the way, in all the 7 institutions I just shared with you, your cash is insured. So it's insured not through the FDIC, but also through the NCUA. So the NCUA stands for National Credit Union Administration. So this is actually the independent federal agency that's created by the U.S. Congress to regulate, charter, and supervise federal credit unions. So something to really think about. So what's the bottom line here? In today's conversation, I spoke to you about credit unions that don't charge monthly fees. So I gave you the list. So we have quickly here, I just want to do a quick recap here. So we have the rundown. You have Navy Fed. 2, you have Penn Fed. 3, you have Alliance. 4, you have Connexus. 5, you have BECU. 6, you have NIHFCU. And 7, you have Bethpage. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.